In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell champions in League of Legends. Now, while there isn't a direct way to sell champions in League, you can often get your currency back by refunding a recent purchase. That means you'll recover the RP or blue essence you spent on that champion, as long as it's eligible for a refund. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. Start by opening the League client. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click on the store, the icon that looks like a stack of coins. This is where all your purchases are managed. Inside the store, head to the account settings area, which you'll also find at the top right. Think of this as the hub for anything related to your account activity and transactions. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Purchase History. This page lists everything you've bought through the client, including champions. Take a moment to scan the list. Next to items that are eligible, you'll see a refund option. If you don't see a button next to a particular purchase, it means that item can't be refunded at this time. It's important to note that refunds are limited. Use them thoughtfully, because you don't have an unlimited number and not every purchase will qualify. Eligibility typically depends on how recent the purchase was and whether it meets the current refund rules. If you used RP to buy the champion, a refund returns GEA. If you used blue essence, you'll get blue essence back. When you found the champion you want to revert, simply click Refund. The client will take a moment to process it. After that, the currency goes back into your balance, and the champion is removed from your collection. Before you confirm, double-check that you've selected the right champion and make sure you're comfortable losing access to it. If you plan to buy it again later, remember you'll be paying the current price at that time. A quick tip: if you don't see the refund button, it's not something you can fix from your end. It usually just means the purchase isn't eligible anymore. Also, the client's layout may change slightly over time, but the path, store, account settings, purchase history remains the same idea. And that's it. You can't sell champions directly, but by using the purchase history refund option, you can recover the RP or blue essence you spent on eligible recent champion purchases.